How to transfer money from RBC to EQ Bank. Log into your RBC online banking account using your credentials. Navigate to the Transfers or Send Money section. Select the option to add external account or link account. Enter the details of your EQ Bank account including the account holder's name, account number and EQ Bank's transit number. Verify the entered information for accuracy. Once the EQ Bank account is linked, initiate a transfer for your RBC account. Choose the EQ Bank account as the recipient for the transfer. Then just enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details and then confirm the transfer. Then you have to authenticate the transfer using your preferred security method. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.